A recent storm affected this home's roofing system in central Connecticut. The damaged areas were quickly tarped to prevent any future damage. The dumpster and material were delivered to site, and the permit was pulled in the local town. Here we see the roofing system being stripped down to the plywood base. This helps us inspect all areas and make sure that there is no rot present. We see here the GAF Ice and Water Weatherwatch being installed on all slopes of the home. This helps prevent ice damming in the wintertime and also fully waterproofs every single nail being installed on the project. You see the GAF Cobra Ridgvent system being installed on all ridges of the home. This provides maximum ventilation, optimal home health. It helps extend the life of the roofing system. We see the open valley system was installed on this home. The copper valley really does provide an excellent finish look. The customer chose the Camelot 2 shingles by GAF in color antique slate and also opted for the extended warranty, the GAF Golden Pledge. This provides 50 years full coverage, all material, all accessories, 50-year coverage, labor for a reinstallation, 25 years coverage on workmanship, with a transfer period of 60 days upon sale. The Nanfito Roofing and Siding, serving Connecticut for 56 years. We protect what matters most. Call or click today to get your free, no obligation quote.